Stop hanging around in Toni Morrison's office. She's not getting the work done. No.
The Michigan State Police has issued an Amber Alert for endangered missing children, Liliana Reynolds and Zamani Reynolds, described as 3- and 4-year-old African-American females. The missing children may be with Brian James Reynolds, a 23-year-old African-American male, and Gavin Austin Onstop, a 21-year-old Caucasian male, traveling in an older box-style gray or silver-colored SUV last seen in the city of Lansing. If you have any information on this alert, please contact the Lansing Police Department at 517-230-6002 or dial 911. For more details about this alert, please go to the Michigan Amber Alert website at amberalertmichigan.org.
You know, that everybody liked those jokes, but inside was completely
Ethan, Ingram, Clinton, Ionia, Shiawassee, Jackson, Calhoun, Genesee.
Navigating a white male world was not threatening. It wasn't even interesting. I was more interesting than they were. I knew more